Mga ka-Nose! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Reingesto. And for today's episode 81, mga must-try foods and drinks by Neighbor Coffee. Neighbor Coffee, a roadside neighborhood coffee shop for people who like to come and go, those who like to stay for a while. They serve caffeinated beverages brewed by hand using high quality of beans. They're located at Zone 1, Barangay Cagbang, Oton, Iloilo City. They're open Monday 3 p.m. until 7 p.m. and on Tuesday to Sunday 7 a.m. until 6 p.m. And for their full list of menus and other details, I'll provide description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Neighbor Coffee. And disclaimer lang mga Nose, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to brand or taste test reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And kapag may nakita kayong skip ads with ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong i-skip, malaking tulong na yon sa aking channel. These are iced kagbang for 80 pesos. These are iced lemonade for 65 pesos. These are chicken ranch for 75 pesos. These are puto flan for 15 pesos. So ito mga Nose, second time ko na sila ma-visit and also try their different products, most especially sa coffee nila and also for their snacks. Recommend sa akin ni Sir Pat and also Queenie Cernava. Shoutout sa inyo, dalawa. Thank you for your recommendation and request. Yung first in order ko is yung iced kagbang. Ito, it has a combination of coffee and condensada. Coffee essence niya, nandun yung strong flavor, yung rich, earthy, and essence for its coffee, and also for its acidity. It was perfectly balanced for its sweet condensed milk. And sa mga ka-Nose natin na hindi mahilig sa coffee, meron din silang non-coffee based for drinks. Most especially their bestseller for their lemonade. Fresh, natural, when it comes sa process ng drinks nila for lemonade, ito, na-fermented na siya, nag-ooze talaga yung zestiness, and also for its citrus, very unique and also very distinctive yung flavors. Also for its overall ingredients, hindi siya super sweet pero perfect siya. Most especially sa summer heat is their newest chicken ranch. Nandun yung crispiness for its sandwich. When it comes sa overall ingredients, for its meats, for its spread, parang sarap ng quality. And also for 75 pesos mga Nose, ito appearance niya, sob na sob ka talaga and perfect siya sa coffee mo. So last but not the least, yung Instagrammable nila and very cute na puto flan for 15 pesos. Ito ay appealing siya, most especially sa kids. Ganda ng shape, ganda ng appearance niya, pan-slicing, smooth texture for leche flan, and also for its puto-like texture and taste, on point siya. Comes sa Neighbor Coffee, ito, naging consistent pa rin sila when it comes sa quality. Also yung cups nila for dine-in and also for takeouts using aesthetic, very eye-appealing siya and very modern yung overall packaging nila and presentation. So thank you so much and congratulations to Neighbor Coffee for this wonderful experience and amazing products.
So ayan mga Nose, siguro magiging suki ko na dito. At sobrang sulit yung quality, yung consistency, and also for its budget. Nandun yung perfect essence for coffee, non-coffee based, and also for its overall appearance when it comes to foods and drinks. So thank you so much sa lahat po ng owners ng Neighbor Coffee. So kita-kits mga Nose sa another brand collaboration for Drinking Nose. See you!